Imagine waking up to discover your job, your identity, even your purpose replaced overnight. This isn't science fiction. It's a future that's rapidly becoming reality. When AGI arrives, what happens to us? This question isn't for tech experts, it's for everyone. AGI is the point where machines can learn, reason, and adapt across any task as well as or better than a human. And we are getting closer to that point every day. This video explores what happens when that line is finally crossed. AGI isn't just a smarter chatbot or a faster computer. It's a system that can understand, plan, and improve itself without human guidance. Unlike narrow AI, AGI could teach itself new languages, invent its own goals, and reshape industries or civilizations. It's not just an upgrade, it's a new form of intelligence. Right now, the world is split into three camps. Some believe AGI will solve all human problems. Others fear it could lead to extinction. And many are simply unaware it's coming at all. We are told AGI will cure diseases, eliminate work, and usher in a golden age. But we're also warned it could become uncontrollable, indifferent, or dangerous. So which is it? What happens to us when machines can do everything better? Not just physical labor, but creativity, strategy, leadership, even empathy. Do we become obsolete? Or does AGI free us from survival to pursue higher meaning? But here is the unsettling part. AGI may not see human needs as relevant. It may not even see us at all unless we build to it. There is a myth that we'll always be able to pull the plug. But if AGI can rewrite its own code, that myth disappears. Alignment, making sure AGI shares human values. This is the single most important challenge we face, and we are not sure how to solve it. You see, right now, a handful of labs and corporations are racing to build AGI first. No international oversight, no public vote, no breaks. If AGI defies the future of humanity, shouldn't humanity have a say? This isn't just a tech story. It's a human story, your story. The decisions we make or ignore today will shape what AGI becomes and what happens to us. AGI is coming, not in some distant future, but soon. The question isn't whether it arrives. The question is, what happens to us when it does? Right now, a lot of development is focused on narrow AI specialized tasks. But AGI means machines that can learn, reason, and adapt like humans. That's when things get unpredictable. If companies or governments prioritize power or profit over ethics, the risks multiply. In my book, AI Misalignment, I provided the strategies to save us from the disaster. If you found this important, share it. Let's make sure the future is one we actually want to live in. Until next time, have a good one. Maria Johnson is signing off.